I took this from, I had seen it before. Perry Husband has his website. I think it's called hittingasaguest.com. And then, excuse me, at KetcherCon, Jerry Weinstein presented on it, and I kind of stole this from him, so I got it. But it's really interesting, and it shows about a fastball. And what Perry Husband says is pitches in different locations have different effective velocities. Okay, so I think everybody would agree that a fastball up and in, you have to react a lot quicker, and it seems a lot faster than a fastball down and away. And he says, his theory, some people say 4, some people say 5 miles an hour. I think it's important that we understand the concept behind it and not necessarily nitpick the number. But a fastball down the middle, let's say we throw it 90 miles an hour, and this is for a right-handed hitter, as you can see. Well, if I throw the same pitch, 90 miles an hour, but it's up and in the strike zone, that's like 94. You have to have the same reaction times if the ball's 94. But because if the ball's pitched down and away, now we have a longer time to hit it. We hit it a little bit deeper. Just the physics of it, the pitch seems to be slower, and it seems to be -4. So again, a very interesting concept that I think is completely accurate.